Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that many of us have encountered while trying to boost our productivity. The problem we'll be tackling revolves around finding the motivation to stay focused and get things done, especially when we are faced with distractions. This can be a real challenge for many of us. So let's explore some solutions together. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. One effective solution is to break down your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. By creating a list of smaller tasks, you can achieve a sense of accomplishment every time you tick one off the list. This can give you the motivation you need to keep going and tackle the next task on your list. It's all about those small wins, adding up to a big victory. Another solution to this focus and productivity issue is to implement time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves working in focus sprints, typically 25 minutes long, followed by a short break. This can help you stay on track and maintain your focus throughout the day. Plus, who doesn't love a good excuse for a quick break every now and then, right? In summary, staying focused and motivated in a world full of distractions can be a real challenge. By breaking down tasks into smaller chunks and implementing time management techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, you can increase your productivity and achieve your goals more efficiently. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite productivity tip. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay focused and motivated.